From professional BMX rider to rebuilding Marcus Rashford's crashed Rolls-Royce worth nearly $1 million. From working 3 jobs to make ends meet to becoming one of the UK's biggest automotive YouTubers with over 5 million subscribers. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible journey of Mat Armstrong, a regular guy from Leicester who turned his passion for cars into a multi-million-dollar empire. This is the untold story of how one shoulder injury changed everything, and how a crashed Audi TT became the starting point of an empire. Before we begin, if you love inspiring success stories and automotive content, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive. The early years. Mat Armstrong was born on June 11, 1993, in Leicester, England. Growing up in a working-class family, Mat's childhood was shaped by 2 major influences: his father Tony Armstrong, a skilled mechanic, and his love for extreme sports. From a young age, Mat spent countless hours in his father's garage, watching Tony work on cars, learning the basics of automotive repair, and developing a fascination with how things worked. This early exposure to the world of mechanics would prove invaluable years later. But as a teenager, Mat wasn't thinking about cars as a career. He was obsessed with something completely different: BMX riding. At just 15 years old, Mat was painfully shy and struggled with confidence. To overcome this, he started with a simple exercise: walking up to strangers and asking them for the time. This small act of courage laid the foundation for the confident, charismatic personality we see on camera today. Around this same time, Mat discovered BMX riding, and it changed his life. The BMX dream. At 16 years old, Mat Armstrong made a bold decision that would shock most parents. He dropped out of school to pursue his dream of becoming a professional BMX rider. Most people thought he was crazy. His family had concerns. But Mat was determined. He started filming himself performing tricks and stunts, initially posting videos to Facebook to share with friends and fellow riders. These early videos taught him the basics of video editing and content creation, skills that would become crucial to his future success. Mat's dedication paid off. He secured sponsorship from Mad Gear MGP, one of the biggest names in the BMX world, and began competing in professional competitions around the globe. For the next 4 years, from ages 16 to 20, Mat lived the dream. He competed in France, Germany, Barcelona, Dubai, and many other countries. He even coached other BMX riders in Dubai, sharing his passion and skills with the next generation. His videos started gaining traction. He was building a small but loyal following on YouTube, documenting his BMX journey, his travels, and his increasingly impressive tricks. Everything seemed to be going perfectly. Mat was young, talented, traveling the world, and doing what he loved. But then, in one devastating moment, everything changed. The injury that changed everything. At the BMX World Championships in Germany, Mat was competing in the qualifying round, attempting one of his signature tricks, the 720 tail whip. Mid-air, something went wrong. Mat landed badly and dislocated his shoulder. The pain was excruciating, but he pushed through and qualified in 16th place. However, he couldn't compete in the finals due to the injury. What Mat didn't know at the time was that this wasn't just a temporary setback. The shoulder never properly healed. It would dislocate during his sleep. The recurring injuries made it impossible to perform at the level required for professional competition. At just 20 years old, Mat's BMX career was over. Imagine that for a moment. You've dedicated years of your life to a dream. You've traveled the world. You've built a reputation. And suddenly, because of one injury, it's all taken away. Most people would have been devastated. Many would have given up. But Mat Armstrong wasn't most people. Starting from zero. With his BMX career finished, Mat faced a harsh reality. He had no formal education beyond age 16, no professional qualifications, and no clear path forward. He needed money. So he did what millions of young people do: he worked multiple jobs. Thanks to his passion for cars and the skills he'd learned from his father, Mat secured a full-time position at Graham Good Motors in Leicester, a Ford performance dealership. His role was diverse. He managed their social media channels, ran their YouTube channel, designed websites, and operated their Amazon and eBay shops. But one full-time job wasn't enough to cover his expenses. So Mat took on evening work at Spice 45, delivering food. He would drive long distances in his car, first a Ford Fiesta, then a modified Volkswagen Lupo with extremely low ground clearance. The modifications made it impossible to deliver to certain locations, so he switched from delivery driving to working behind the bar. He also worked part-time with Mallory Performance Ltd, squeezing in hours wherever he could. Picture this, Mat was working 3 jobs, barely making ends meet, with no clear future. His BMX career was behind him, and he was just trying to survive. But during this entire period, Mat never stopped creating content. He continued uploading videos to his YouTube channel, even though he wasn't making any money from it yet. He did it because he loved it. And then, something unexpected happened that would change his life forever. The Audi TT that started it all. One day, Mat's girlfriend Hannah Smith crashed her Audi TT on her way home from work. The car was badly damaged, and the insurance company wrote it off as a total loss. Most people would have accepted the payout and moved on. But Mat saw an opportunity. He bought the wrecked Audi TT back from the insurance company for just £600. At the time, he was still filming on a basic GoPro camera. He had no professional equipment, no studio, no fancy setup. Just a passion for cars and a willingness to learn. Mat documented the entire rebuild process on his YouTube channel. He taught himself how to fix the car, researching online, asking for help in forums, and learning through trial and error. His audience, small but loyal, helped him source parts. They offered advice. They encouraged him. The rebuild became a community project. When the video of the completed Audi TT went live, something magical happened. The views started climbing. People loved watching a regular guy, with no professional training, successfully rebuild a written-off car. Mat had found his calling. The £10,000 gamble. Fast forward to the COVID-19 pandemic. Mat had been furloughed from Graham Good Motors and had no idea when he'd be called back to work. He had been saving money, not for cars, but for a deposit on a house. He had worked incredibly hard, living frugally, building up his savings with the dream of homeownership. But the housing market was unpredictable during lockdown. Prices were fluctuating wildly. And Mat was spending all his free time on his YouTube channel, which he absolutely loved. Then he saw it, a crashed Bentley Continental GT for sale at auction for £10,000. This was the moment of truth. Mat had to make a choice, use his money as a deposit for a house and continue working his multiple jobs, or invest everything into rebuilding the Bentley and bet on his YouTube channel becoming a viable career. If you're finding this story inspiring so far, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We share success stories like this every week, showing you how ordinary people build extraordinary lives. Mat chose the Bentley. His family thought he was crazy. His friends questioned his judgment. But Mat had a vision. He bought the crashed Bentley, documented the entire rebuild process, and uploaded it to YouTube. The video went viral. Millions of views. Thousands of new subscribers. And critically, it landed Mat his first major sponsorship deal. The gamble had paid off. Shortly after, Mat made another bold decision. He quit his job at Graham Good Motors and became a full-time YouTuber. Building an empire. Once Mat committed to YouTube full-time, he approached it like a business, not a hobby. He established a consistent upload schedule, treating content creation like a serious job. This meant late nights in the garage, often working from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m., for days a week, and long hours editing videos. But Mat wasn't just making random car videos. He had found a unique niche, buying crashed, written-off luxury and sports cars. His girlfriend Hannah eventually quit her job to help him full-time. She started her own YouTube channel, sharing behind-the-scenes content and engaging with Mat's growing fanbase. Mat also made strategic business decisions beyond YouTube. He worked with Euphoria Motors, a luxury car rental and sales company. He started organizing raffles, giving away restored cars to fans for as little as £9.95 per entry, creating massive engagement and excitement. But Mat was also smart with his money. He bought his first house at 21 after working 18-hour days for 3 years in photography and various jobs. He renovated it, rented it out, and used the rental income as a deposit for a second house. He repeated this process multiple times, building a property portfolio of 5 houses while simultaneously growing his YouTube empire. As of 2024, Mat Armstrong has Over 5.1 million subscribers on YouTube. More than 6 billion total video views. Multiple revenue streams including ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise, and car raffles. An estimated net worth of $2.5 million. 5 properties. Multiple cars in his collection. But his biggest moment was still to come. The Marcus Rashford Rolls-Royce. In September 2023, Manchester United star Marcus Rashford crashed his custom Mansory black badge Rolls-Royce Wraith, originally valued at £700,000, near the team's training base. Neither Rashford nor the elderly woman he collided with were seriously injured, but the car was severely damaged and subsequently written off by insurance. The wrecked Rolls-Royce went to auction in early 2024. Mat Armstrong placed the winning bid, £184,000. For most people, buying a crashed Rolls-Royce would be insane. The parts alone cost a fortune. Mansory customizations are notoriously expensive. A single grille surround costs over £5,000. But Mat saw an opportunity to create the ultimate content series. He documented every second of the rebuild process. The challenges were immense. The car wouldn't start due to anti-theft protection codes. Mansory parts were incredibly expensive and hard to source. The damage was far worse than it initially appeared. The aluminum subframe had completely sheared through in multiple places. Marcus Rashford's team saw Mat's videos and reached out to help, providing spare parts including the Mansory grille, floor mats, car cover, and critically, the secret security codes to start the car. Mat even had to buy a second Rolls-Royce for £90,000 just to use as a parts donor. The rebuild took 6 months. The total investment, including the purchase of both cars and all parts, exceeded £324,000. But the gamble paid off spectacularly. The 3 main videos about the Rashford Rolls-Royce rebuild amassed over 12 million views in just weeks. Mat's subscriber count exploded from 2.7 million to over 5.1 million. When the car was finally finished, Kourosh Mansory himself, the founder of Mansory, saw the videos and requested Mat bring the car to Germany so his team could inspect it and add finishing touches to ensure it met Mansory standards. Mat drove from Spain, where he was at the time, all the way to Mansory headquarters in Germany. The team added signature wheels worth £10,000 and made various refinements. When asked if he would sell the car, even to Mansory, Mat refused. After all the work, the memories created with family and friends, and the journey documented, the car had become priceless to him. The Mat Armstrong Formula. So what can we learn from Mat Armstrong's incredible journey? Lesson 1. Turn setbacks into setups. When his BMX career ended due to injury, Mat could have given up. Instead, he used the video editing skills he'd learned and combined them with his automotive knowledge to create something entirely new. Lesson 2. Bet on yourself. Mat used his house deposit money to buy a crashed Bentley. That's a massive risk. But he believed in his vision enough to go all in. Lesson 3. Authenticity wins. Mat never pretended to be a professional mechanic. He openly shared his learning process, his mistakes, and his struggles. People connected with that honesty. Lesson 4. Consistency creates success. Mat uploaded regularly, treated YouTube like a job before it was one, and put in the work even when he wasn't getting paid. Lesson 5. Diversify your income. Mat didn't rely solely on YouTube ad revenue. He built multiple income streams, sponsorships, merchandise, car raffles, property rentals, and business partnerships. Lesson 6. Community matters. Mat involved his girlfriend, his father, and his audience in his journey. He made people feel part of something bigger than just watching car videos. Lesson 7. Think big. Most YouTubers wouldn't dare buy a crashed Rolls-Royce worth £700,000. Mat did, and it became his biggest success. Where is he now? As of late 2024 and early 2025, Mat Armstrong continues to dominate the automotive YouTube space. He's currently working on a flood-damaged Aston Martin DBX and recently completed a rebuild of a £600,000 Lamborghini Revuelto, which garnered over 6.5 million views. He operates multiple YouTube channels. Mat Armstrong, main channel 5.1 million plus subscribers. Mat Armstrong 2 Malawian Kwachas, second channel. Mat Armstrong Shorts. Mat Armstrong Yes, Spanish channel. He has over 305,000 Instagram followers and 402,000 Facebook followers, making him one of the most influential automotive creators in the UK. His workshop has evolved from a tiny garage to a professional facility where he can work on multiple high-end vehicles simultaneously. Mat frequently collaborates with other automotive YouTubers and has had his work featured by Richard Hammond from the Grand Tour, which significantly boosted his profile. He continues organizing car raffles, with proceeds often going to charity, including Fair Share, a food charity supported by Marcus Rashford. And perhaps most importantly, he's still that same down-to-earth guy from Leicester who just loves cars and sharing his passion with the world. The impact. Mat Armstrong has inspired countless people to pursue their passions, learn new skills, and take calculated risks. He's proven that you don't need formal education, professional qualifications, or a perfect background to build something extraordinary. You just need passion, persistence, and the courage to bet on yourself. He's also shown that content creation can be a legitimate, lucrative career if you approach it professionally and authentically. Young people watching his videos are learning about mechanics, business, content creation, and entrepreneurship all at once. And he's brought luxury car restoration to the masses, making exotic vehicles accessible and understandable to regular people who would never otherwise interact with Bentleys, Rolls-Royces, and Lamborghinis. So there you have it, the complete, untold story of Mat Armstrong. From a shy 15-year-old asking strangers for the time, to a professional BMX rider traveling the world, to working 3 jobs just to survive, to betting everything on a crashed Bentley, to rebuilding Marcus Rashford's Rolls-Royce and becoming one of the UK's biggest YouTubers. It's a story of resilience, passion, calculated risks, and never giving up on your dreams even when life completely changes your plans. Mat Armstrong didn't just rebuild cars, he rebuilt his entire life. What do you think of Mat Armstrong's journey? Does his story inspire you? Have you been following his channel? What's your favorite build of his? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what resonates with you about his story. If you enjoyed this deep dive biography, smash that like button, it really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more content like this. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next success story. We cover inspiring journeys, celebrity biographies, business breakdowns, and everything in between. And remember, sometimes the worst thing that happens to you can lead to the best thing that ever happens to you. It's all about how you respond. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and never stop chasing your dreams. See you in the next story.